Oh, yes.
Bad neck, bad shoulder. We're gonna also probably find something at his occiput too, so we'll do that too. So let's get in, big breath in and blow it out. Ooh, yeah, it's right. Do you feel that spot right there? Good. Let this come down.
Wow. Ooh, alright, I'm feeling better already.
All right, so we're gonna do a Y strap on you next, okay?
Okay.
You can do it, come on. And blow it out. Now we're gonna do one. Big breath in. Blow it out.
Doc, something doesn't feel right though.
It feels locked at the bottom?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna have to release that. So you're gonna lie on your side this way, facing me.
One sec.
Did it feel like it stiffened up on you?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna release that now. Big breath in. And blow it out. Blow it out, let me hear it. There you go. Got it. Did you hear all those?
Yeah.
Did that feel better?
I feel great.
Good. And blow it out. Blow it out. Just a little one. I thought it was going to be big, but it wasn't.
The other side was great.
Yeah. Okay? Come in real close. Let's see if we can get this skin pull. I could hear those pretty good. Did you do you feel those pop?
It's like very faint, but I can feel like my lower back relieving itself.
So now I'm gonna check the leg. I'm gonna do a prone leg pull. Good. Now I'm gonna work into the back with my elbow a little bit. Right in there. Do you feel that one?
Yeah, this feels good.
There's my knee on the other side, okay?
Alright.
My whole body weight's on you.
It feels great.
Big one. Whew. Lie on your back.
I gotta come see you more.
These are pretty good. All right. So I'm gonna have you come stand up back in the corner with me over here, okay? Got it. So you still had that pinch in there. Don't test it in that direction. Stand up to test it, okay? Because I don't want you to jerk your neck. Give it a second. Give it a second, because that was intense.
Yes.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. Oh.
This is problem.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes. Ouch. Oh.
Relax.
Oh.
Oh, yes, yes. Now it's better?
Yes, much more better. Oh.
Does it hurt?
Yes.
Relax, relax. Yes.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
It's problem zone.
Yes. Oh. It's so here.
Be patient. Relax, relax. Remember, it's short gear.
From the video. Ouch. Oh. Oh.
Soon will be better.
Oh.
Relax. Relax. Yeah. Oh. Relax. Relax.
Oh. Oh.
Ouch. Good. Good. Maybe. Roll on the other side. Relax.
Oh.
Yes. Okay.
No.
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 Turn. Look on the top.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. Be patient.
Please be more soft and gentle.
I'm maniac. Be patient. Or
Oh.
it's good.
Yes.
Do you feel better?
Yes. Oh.
Be patient. Be patient.
Oh.
Be patient. Yes. Yes. Relax, relax.
Oh. Oh.
Pain point.
Yeah.
Be patient.
Oh.
Be patient. Ah.